So I'm sure everyone must be targeting this college through your CT examination. It is one of the top law colleges in Mumbai, Maharashtra, located in Churchgate, heart of the Mumbai.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. Welcome to the another podcast with the principal of KC Law College, Dr. Kavita ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
So ma'am will be guiding you with regards to the career in law, and she will be surely talking about what are the placement available in the KC Law College and other part also like industry radiant, etc, etc. So always I talk about how to prepare for the CET, how to crack CET, how to prepare for the logical reasoning, legal section. But today we will be talking about career in law, and that will be guided by Kavita ma'am. So ma'am, very first, thank you for giving your valuable time for this conversation.
It's always a pleasure for my organization to interact with the students, aspirants of this law degree.
Okay, so before we start, ma'am, please can you introduce about the college, say something about the college.
Yeah, this our KC Law College. It is situated at south part of our Mumbai, and well-known, reputed college in the city of Mumbai. And this college is very soon going to complete 70 years. And this college offering LLB 3-year course as well LLM 2 years course, and very recently we have also started with the PhD research center in the college, and I'm really pleased to inform you that we are the first law college under University of Mumbai to start this course, that is PhD in law under Mumbai University. Despite these regular courses, we also do have certificate courses for the students for their professional growth.
Okay. So I'm sure everyone must be targeting this college through your CT examination. It is one of the top law colleges in Mumbai, Maharashtra, located in Churchgate, heart of the Mumbai. So one by one we have a detailed discussion. So starting with the first question, ma'am, why should one pursue law?
Yes, I think law course is very, very important in today's time, because that talks about your intellectual challenge which you can think of, a student can think of, and the professional growth which you see in this course. Despite that, the job opportunities, the job securities, and I think also we can think of the financial stability which a student get, because immediately after finishing or even while pursuing the law, they get good opportunities from different fields. So I think, and apart from this, I think one should know about the law, because even though you are working in some other sector which is not related to law, still having the legal knowledge gives you an upper hand and also give you an analytical skill for this part.
Okay. Continuing with the opportunity kind of answer, there is a common dilemma like student have. I am from science background, so I cannot pursue law. Is there anything as such?
Not like that, because myself also, I would say I did my BSc degree, and after finishing my BSc degree, I joined this law and I'm really enjoying it. So nothing like that. I think any stream can do LLB 3-year course. Of course, for 5 years you need to plan immediately after 12th, but 3-year degree course any stream will do.
And we get a clarity after graduation, more clarity. मुझे ये वाली career में जाना है, otherwise I should opt for this career, right?
So I think further in this case, I feel like if a person, for example, as you are saying BSc, so after BSc also I feel personally that analytical aptitude is really enhanced with this.
Correct.
So that really helps the student to further take the things into law stream. As you know, the cyber law nowadays is a trend. Artificial intelligence we talk about. Intellectual property rights, where we are talking about patent, we are talking about the copyright and other issues. So these things are also related to science field. Person from technology can very well understand about the artificial intelligence, and that person, if suppose comes into this field, will really do wonders. Not only this, even when we talk about forensic science, That is also, I feel, the person that is having science background knows the things about the basic knowledge. So, and basic knowledge plus this legal knowledge, added legal knowledge will help the person when he is practicing, I mean when he is arguing before the court of law, to understand the document will really help him. So I don't think the BSc degree, the BSc degree holder students cannot pursue the law. Rather, that will be a great asset for the student.
Okay. So next question is very interesting and important also, and this is from the student side. Why one should join KC Law College?
I think KC Law College, they should join. The reasons, what I feel personally, is we have well trained and highly qualified teaching staff, and we are more, I would say, focused for the students' growth, for the students' development. We have a very rich library on 4th floor. If we look at our infrastructure, 4 floors are for KC Law College. That too, as you said, in the heart of Mumbai city, in this area, Churchgate area. That is also added advantage to this college. Apart from this, if I tell you that from last many years, the college is getting consistently ranking in the different magazines, like I can say like corporate, this CSR, then India Today, Week magazine, and all other magazines. From many years we are getting rankings for this college, and many places we have seen KC Law College is the only law college in Mumbai city getting the rankings in few magazines. So I think this is an achievement, getting ranking for this KC Law College at national level. And as I said, that we focus for the students' growth and development. That really, I think, will give a comfort level for a student to join this law college. Yeah, also one added advantage for this law college is that we have nearby many courts. High Court, we know just across the Madan we have High Court. Also we have city civil court, small causes court, criminal court. All other courts are in the same vicinity. So before that only, when they are coming to this college, they are getting the feeling of this legal practitioner part that they can do into that.
Okay, next question is the student industry ready after completion of course from KC Law College?
From KC Law
As
College,
you mentioned earlier, like there are CSR activity, there are internship. So, I mean, how that will help to them after completion of the law?
That will be, I feel, they will be industry ready after finishing the course from this college. The reason being is, I feel that first thing, we are not focusing only on the theoretical knowledge which is imparted in the classroom teaching and mainly focusing on the curriculum. We go beyond the curriculum, where we try to give them exposure of other things also which will be useful to them once they finish their law degree. For example, I can say that we give them numerous various, I would say, moot court activities, where we give them a mock trial. Mock court is there where they can, and case is given to them, where the students, they have to come and argue like as if they are arguing the matter before the court of law in front of the judges. So the setup is given to the students to get a feeling. And also apart from this, I would say there are many other co-curricular and extracurricular activities for their growth and development, like elocution, debate, and quiz, constitution, and all other issues, which really help them. Despite that, we also have drafting, pleading, and convincing, which I feel is an integral part of our profession, which is taught to them not only as a part of curriculum. We go beyond that, where we have certificate courses for the students to give them first hand-on training to learn about this aspect, so that tomorrow once they are into the court, they can learn the things. We give them certificate courses where we are telling them how you have to file a case before the court, how you have to draft a bail application, what is the procedure required for that. So these things are also taught. So I think we don't stick to the curriculum, we go beyond the curriculum, so that they are trained for the tomorrow once they enter into the legal profession.
And do we take student to the industrial visit as such?
Yes, we do take the students for the various visits.
Like jail is there, High Court is there.
Yes, like we have High Court visit, we have City Civil Court visit, we have small causes visit. We also have client that is basically lawyer's chamber visit,
Okay.
where the student will go and sit and see how lawyer is interacting with the client and what questions are put and how they are giving the comfort to the client. So these all the visits are given. Police station visit is given to the student.
Okay.
Not only this, we go also for other like tribunals. We take students for pollution control board, income tax authorities and other places
Okay.
where they can have a feel about the system, how it is functioning in our society.
So this industrial visit happened in Mumbai only, not outside Mumbai, Maharashtra, like Delhi and all.
We do take them, like last time for prison we had taken them to Pune,
Okay.
Arthur Road jail.
Okay.
No, sorry, not Arthur Road, it is Pune. Yerwada jail. Arthur is here only.
Yes.
Yerwada jail we have taken them. And also once in a year we take students to Delhi.
Okay.
Educational tour where they visit Parliament, they visit the Supreme Court, they visit ILI, Indian Law Institute, they go also for Law Commission of India. So these all are bodies related to our legal field where they get really a good experience about the functioning of all these institutions.
Okay.
And jail also they are taken so that they get a feeling and they understand the problems what prisoners or under trial prisoners are facing, where they go and draft their bail application and other issues.
Okay, they do that.
They do that.
Wow. So, so what is the importance of practical training in law?
Practical training is an essential component of our curriculum, and it is given drafted by the University of Mumbai. And practical components, basically practical training where we are teaching students about this drafting, pleading and convincing. We also take this moot court regularly for the students. So when we are talking about this, then for third year we have a compulsory moot court.
Okay.
Where they have to, case law is given to them, there they have to come and argue the matter, maybe on plaintiff side or defendant side, but they have to come and argue. They have to prepare the brief, they have to come and argue, and accordingly then they are trained. So practical training is very important, because just curriculum part will not help, because the actual reading of the book and the real picture outside the college in the field is different. So these things are taught through this course, so that they are acquainted with the things.
Vocational knowledge is different and the practical is altogether different, right? Next question. I hope all the aspirants, those who are watching this podcast, this video, curious about to listen it. That is the placement. What are the placement we get when we come to the KC Law College, when we take the admission in the KC Law College? What are the companies comes and what are the highest average package they get?
Yes, we have very active placement cell in the college.
We have a placement committee.
Yes, we have a placement cell under the guidance of our teachers.
Okay.
And of course, few students are also joining that committee as per their interest. And how we go about this, then we ask the CVs we invite the CVs from the students.
Okay.
They submit their CVs, and after that we, like a mediator, then we approach to the law firms, advocates and companies.
Okay.
And we have a placement drive in a year.
Okay.
Generally we keep after January or February, so by that time they are about to finish
placement drive
their
after
course,
January,
or second year or third year.
Okay.
Yeah, so in the placement drive, maybe once or twice, as per the demand or request from the students, we do arrange this placement drive where companies, advocates, law firms will come over here, and the students, their CVs we submit to those companies and law firms, and then they take the interviews for the students and then they select.
Okay, so company comes here or we have to go to the company?
No, they come over here. Sometimes some law firms or companies, they prefer just to send the CVs to them instead of coming over here, and then they take interviews over there. That facility also we provide if required, but we prefer if it is in the campus.
Okay.
So it is more convenient for the students, and the comfort level is there, because this is actually interview process, the whole process. So with ease it happens over here.
So this happened with the first year student or the final year student?
We prefer generally second year and third year
Okay,
students, mainly focusing for third year who are about to pass out from the college.
Okay. And,
And as package you were asking, like this year, I will share with you. This year we had a good placement drive in the college just few months back, and we got placed our students whosoever applied for this, and maximum package was 6 lakhs.
highest is 6 lakhs.
Highest is 6, and lowest side it is 3 lakhs.
Okay. That is the annual.
Yeah, annual, of course. And then we get law firms. There are many law firms. The companies like this year we had JSW and law firms. If I talk about, we had Singhania, Lexicon, and Strategy Law Partners. Like that, many more. They had visited this year only, and next year we want to involve more companies and law firms.
Okay.
For this, so that more students can get the advantage.
Okay. So placement wise, you don't have to worry. There are the companies who comes for the interviews, and you can go out the campus also for the placement. And placement wise, there is a decent average package. The highest is the 6, and the average package is nothing but the 3 lakhs. And do we provide internship for the first year student?
We provide internship to the students if they ask for, but there is a limitation for internship. The reason being is the Bar Council of India rule talks about that internship should be given only during the vacation time.
Okay.
So we cannot have throughout the year. We can provide them, we help them, rather assist them for getting the internship, but only during the vacation period, not when we are having regular classes.
Okay.
Yeah, so there are various options after finishing this law degree. The first one is, as you all know, that the students can join for judiciary, and we all know that as there is a dearth of judges in the various levels of courts, if we talk about, so I think they should think about judiciary, and at the entry level that we have JMFC, they can appear for this exam after finishing this law degree, and they can be appointed directly as a judge for the court. Not only this, even if they have a practice of 7 years or 10 years, then they can join as a higher judiciary or even as a judge of the High Court, and then further elevation to the Supreme Court. And also, I think even not only this, they can get some constitutional post also with this law degree help.
After having experience.
After having required number of experience, they can think of. The procedure is there which they need to follow, but first option is definitely about the judiciary, and I think I also focus more on that they should join this judiciary, as we require judges for this system. And not only that, this thing they can also join as an arbitrator, consultant. These things are also important once you finish the degree, as we all are academicians. So for this side also, once they finish, of course after this they have to finish the master degree, and then also NET exam, PhD, then they can join this academic side, where they can be into the teaching side, and gradually they can reach to the director, principal level, and also further to the vice chancellor of some university. So second option is that academic side. Another field is quite catchy, I think, for students, is corporate side.
Right.
That is just immediately after doing your law, you can join some corporate side. There they give nowadays very good pay package that really attracts, I think, students. So there they get good exposure, and in due course, there also the growth of a candidate is really very good. But they have to put efforts for that. Then we all know that advocates, solicitor, if they give solicitor exam, they can become solicitor, they can become advocate, they can join some law firm, there they can continue. Corporate field is there. Also in some government sectors, banks, also we have law officers.
Right.
And if you see in today's time, the trend is every officer, every government office, every department also wants to have a legal cell.
Right.
And legal cell, you will be a great help for that, and you can join that legal cell, and you can share your experience, your knowledge which you gain during the course, and continue with that, and there also you have a very good growth of your career.
Right. For banking, I think there is a IBPS SO Specialist Officer exam is there.
Yes.
So those who have a law background, they can write this exam. They can get into the banking sector.
And they get higher rank than PO.
Yes.
That level,
provisional
say they
officer,
get
right.
they get directly scale 2.
Nowadays, many students are after 3 years law preparation joining the coaching, like us, and they are coming for the training purpose or helping other students for the entrance examination like CLAT, CET, and all. So this is again another option you can think about.
Yes.
Right.
Audio Jungle.
So guys, lots of information we have discussed in this video, and those who are coming to KC, targeting for the KC after through your MH Law CET score or the examination, start preparing well for the CET. And ma'am have discussed lots of information with regards to the law courses, placement, who should go for the law, and what are the internship option available, okay, and the industrial visit as well. So once again, ma'am, thank you for all this information, and this will be surely helpful for all the viewers, all the aspirants, those who are targeting for the CET and seeking admission in KC Law College.
Audio Jungle.